In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to your Home Depot MyCard account. To get started, open Google Chrome on your device. Using a trusted browser like Chrome can help make the sign-in process smooth and secure, especially if your browser is updated to the latest version. Once Chrome is open, go to the official Home Depot MyCard login page. Make sure you're on the correct website before entering any account details. This is an important habit anytime you sign into a financial or account management portal because it helps protect your information and reduces the risk of entering your credentials on the wrong site. When the login page loads, look for the first sign in field. In that field, type your user ID carefully. Take a moment to make sure everything is entered correctly, since even a small typo can prevent access to your account. If you usually copy and paste login details, it's still a good idea to quickly confirm that the correct information appears in the field before moving on. Next, click into the password field and enter your password. As you type, your password may appear hidden for security reasons, which is completely normal. Be sure to enter it exactly as created, paying attention to capitalization, numbers, and any special characters. If you're signing in on a shared or public computer, stay especially aware of your surroundings and avoid saving sensitive information in the browser. You'll also see the option labeled Remember My ID. This can be convenient, but it should only be used if you are on a private device that you personally own or fully trust, such as your home computer or personal laptop. Avoid selecting this option on public, shared, or work devices unless you are certain it is safe to do so. Keeping this in mind adds an extra layer of privacy to your account access. After reviewing your user ID and password and choosing whether or not to use the Remember My ID option, go ahead and click the Sign In button. This will submit your login details and take you into your Home Depot MyCard account, assuming everything was entered correctly. If the page doesn't load right away, give it a moment and avoid clicking multiple times. And if you receive an error, double-check your login information before trying again. That's it. You've successfully gone through the Home Depot MyCard sign-in process from start to finish.